Bornemann manufactures threads from large to small, primarily the larger threads, for applications such as railway technology, renewable energy, offshore, or even nuclear technology, for example. Our innovation is a measuring system that we have installed in our machine tools. This measuring system enables us, for the first time worldwide and uniquely, to fully capture the geometry of the products we manufacture on the machine during the production process. This is independent of the batch size of our products. Since we mainly produce individual parts and components in very small quantities here, we are able to efficiently avoid scrap from the very first part, thereby reducing the CO2 emissions associated with our product. In addition, we can ensure that the achievable thread quality produced by the machine is improved, which in turn increases the efficiency of the component in its later application. In the future, we also want to transfer the system to our other machines so that we can produce threads more productively and efficiently there as well, and thus fully realize the system's potential.